A 6 on your side crime alert this morning. The Knox County Sheriff's Office launching a search warrant after a large amount of drugs, money and guns were found at a home off Old Rutledge Pike. We're told officers found approximately 38 pounds of marijuana, 13 firearms, ammunition, cash, packaging materials, and scales at the home. 33-year-old Leslie Marie Rodriguez was charged at the time. Officers are still looking for Rodolfo R. Torres. He has outstanding warrants for his arrest. If you have any information, you are urged to contact 865-215-2243. A reminder for you, you can remain anonymous.